everybody, Sharon McCrum here from Wellport Public Library. Today I'm going to do some kitchen science with the kids. So, if you've been to the store, you might have found a nice tomato that you wanted to pick up and thought when you got home, well, I probably need to clean that. So, what's a good way to do it? Let's use some kitchen science, okay? First off, you're going to need a 1/3 cup of vinegar. This is a 3-to-1 ratio. So let's put in our vinegar. Okay, now we need a cup of water. There we go. Okay, you take that tomato, we'll rinse it. Now, you're not going to want vinegar left on your tomato for flavor, or say if you were doing grapes or something. But let's put this in our colander, and we're going to pour some water over it to rinse off the rest of that. Then, you take yourself a clean towel and set it on there. Voila! All clean and ready to eat without any harm in it. That's a good thing. There are some things you don't want to use vinegar for. I got this information from Consumer Reports and discovered that though it's a wonderful cleaner, it may not kill everything that we're hoping it will as far as germs, and you shouldn't use it inside your iron to clean it. You shouldn't use it on granite or soapstone or in your dishwasher or in your washing machine. You should not use it on any electronic screens or on your hardwood, not on knives or on your range tops or on anything that has rubber on it in appliances. But you can still clean other objects with it. You can clean your vegetables. It's good for you and it's a lot of fun. Now then, before we finish this, let's have some fun as well. We all like making little volcanoes, and another part of a good cleaning, which I do use on my glass top stove, is with baking soda and vinegar. Okay, here we go. Woo! Thanks for being here today. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.